love the conference. I love the way that they are organizing it. Everything is so smooth, no pressure, everyone giving enough time, and also the feedback from the attendees was fantastic. I think everyone enjoyed it. The hotel selection was perfect, the arrangement, everything is seamless.
Very happy to sponsor the pricing strategy world summit again, and see that every year there is more and more industries, more and more participants to this annual event.
What I really like about it is it has really perfect mix of practical things, something that you can learn and implement in your company already tomorrow, and inspiration for the future.
My favorite parts were interactive sessions when we had two speakers at the stage, showing both like more strategic and theoretical example that was backed up by a practical light examples.
We had amazing discussions with many pricing practitioners at the Agency conference. We've seen top innovations, and it's always a pleasure to be in such a long-term partnership at Zilliant as a solution provider. And hopefully we're going to continue over the next few years.
What I also like a lot, because it's not the first time I'm at this conference, is that since 2022 in Amsterdam until now, I see more and more women in senior pricing positions, more women that are leading pricing initiatives, and that's something that is personally very important to me.
Well, we like to see what other companies are doing in other sectors, other industries, and we're always interested to where we can learn from the world. So we'd love to see how Europeans are thinking about pricing.
I really enjoy the conference. I mean, it's the first time for me in a conference which is not pharma specific, which is just at the sector where I work, and has allowed me to learn a lot about other industries and how they approach the topic of pricing. Really learned a lot. I've enjoyed meeting professionals from different industries. I think the location, our organization are quite good as well, so I'm overall quite satisfied.
So obviously that's amazing to connect with colleagues that work in the same industry and give you some insights and some tips about projects that I have already in plan or already are executing, because you can learn so much from each other.
The reason why I choose to be in this event, to meet great minds and to exchange ideas with the RGM leaders and to learn best-in-class pricing expertise.
I wanted to see different industries, and I'm usually focused about my day-to-day problems, and these people are working in the same field, but they have completely different problems, and hearing about them and how they approach it is actually why we want to come here and what we want to see.
Once you step out of your bubble, you see that there are peers that are having similar challenges and issues that you face.
What I really liked about this conference was being able to understand how pricing works in different industries. Having this external perspective is very enriching towards the future.
With the tariff, inflation, deflation, volatility, and all kinds of uncertainties, there is a lot of appetite to understand how to approach, manage, and deal with these specific areas.
What I really enjoy is to have a global benchmarking about how I can implement some tools such as AI and machine learning in the rolling stock business, and it is a good experience for me.
And this is the kind of event like this that we are much happy to sponsor. that is driving the industry and the trend.
I really enjoyed 3 days of Summit because I got to learn new people. It's a really nice event. I look forward to join the next year as well.
And thank you so much, and I hope to see you next year. Thank you.
I'm really looking forward to speak and see you next year here.
I hope to see you next year.
I hope to see you next year.
So please come and join us next time.